Alright, now we do this. Ew! Are you ready?
Yes.
Muy bien. Remember the grips. You get a gloves, don't you? Israel. May I have? Yeah, yes, it's good idea, man. Aquí te lo doy unos. Try it on. Okay, remember the root. To the right and then and the V to the left. Royd is going to be waiting there. Good luck. Remember the paparazzi on the left side.
La señora está bien. Córreselo, porfa. Eric, Eric, ya se lo puso.
Up. Go.
afuera. Ah, porque me la trae también. Bueno, mal, pues fuera nada, nada, imagínate, ya nada, mal, ya, entonces la verdad que, o sea, uno intenta mal, yo no sé, pero ya, pastilla. Estamos al principio mal, como unos 3-4 meses, pues sí, con ronda. Ya ahora más, ya me lo tengo un saco, ahora de hecho, más, yo yo pongo un hombre ahora.
Es fácil, dices.
Ya es ambulatorio, no ambulatorio.
Y ya operadito, ya. All the way, my brother. Very good. Oh, try to stand up, please. Look at me. Very good. Wait a second. Let it take this one, and this part over here. Okay. Be really careful. Go all the way up. My friend is waiting for you. Watch your step, please. Take your time.
Vamos, amigo. You tired? Come on! Really? I know what you need. You need un Imperial.
Uh-huh.
You know what is Imperial?
What is?
It's a beer.
Yeah,
You need it?
yeah.
Yeah, we need it too. No one. We need this street.
Yeah, all two street.
Where you come from, amigo?
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Okay, amigo, just get closer. Have you done zipline before?
Never.
Okay, me neither. We're gonna learn together.
Okay.
Okay.
Together?
Yeah. Okay, amigo, easy peasy.
All right.
Just hold it here, sit down, knees up. That's it, okay?
That's it?
My friend, the other side is Ronald. He's gonna slow you down. He's going to unhook you.
Okay.
Vámonos, legs up.
Amigo, grab the cable, please. Thanks. And you stand up. And you stand up. Excellent. How are you, friend?
Good. Good.
A little strong, huh? Amigo, I need your head, so you need to walk around on the tree, please.
Okay.
Thanks. Eh? So now I need this blue line because the next activity you need it. Excelente, gracias. First time Costa Rica, amigo?
First time.
First time. Hot country.